Today we are going to be installing the TP-Link HS200 Smart Wi-Fi Light Switch. The first thing you're going to want to do is install the app on your phone. So you will need to install the TP-Link Casa app, and they will have a step-by-step for you, and you can configure the light switch to your phone so you can do the settings and link it with all your other smart devices. First thing you're going to want to do is find your breaker box and turn off the power to that room where the light is. You're going to change or replace. First thing you're going to do is remove this outside cover to your switch, and you just actually need to pull really hard and you'll hear it snap off. First thing you're going to do is take off your faceplate to the light switch you currently have. Sometimes if the faceplate has been on for a while, there might be paint stuck to it, so you'll want to take a razor blade or screwdriver and make sure that it doesn't peel your paint off when you remove it. The next thing you're going to do is unscrew the screws that are holding the light switch to the wall or the bracket. You'll then want to pull the switch out from the box and loosen the wires from the switch. Now this may either be loosening the screws to release the wire that's wrapped around, or the wires may be plugged into the back of the light switch. So you can see we have a red wire, two black, and then down inside is the copper and the white. Neutral wire. Connect the copper wire first. You'll connect the white wire, which is the neutral wire. To do is you're going to put the red live wire and the black wire that goes with this particular light switch with the black wire connected to your smart switch. And then you're going to connect the other common black wire with the other black wire that comes on your smart switch. Then you'll just tuck in all the wires to make room for your new switch. You'll make sure that they fit securely. You'll want to make sure that none of the wires come loose when you move them. Just take your Phillips screwdriver and screw the new smart switch into the wall. To make sure that the switch is sitting flush against the wall so that when you put the faceplate back on it will sit flush. And now we're going to go and test the power. Okay, so once you've turned the power back on, you should have a light that is blinking an orange and a green color, and that means that you can check the Wi-Fi and connect on your app on your phone. You can see the internet symbol is connected in green, which means that it's on and working. You can go ahead and press the button. You can see it will turn your light off and on.